Hi, I'm Lana Tolbert with Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady, and I'm here to bring you a very special offer. Until June 30th, with any metal roof purchase, we are offering a Solar Skin Blue underlayment upgrade. That's a $2,000 value. Now, I know that nobody knows what a Solar Skin Blue roof underlayment is, so I'm going to let you know. First, it's fire resistant. And already your metal roof is giving you fire resistance, but this is increasing that. It also acts as a solar thermal type blanket. It's almost like a radiant barrier insulation. So it's not letting your home gain any more energy. It's reflecting it up. So your home stays more moderate inside, which means utility savings, both summer and winter. It'll be cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, up to about a 20% savings. You know, the asphalt roofs in Colorado may only last 7 to 15 years because of the extreme weather that we have. Just look at how it's been. We've had a long, cold winter. We've had tons of wind. The asphalt roofs and shake roofs and tile roofs just don't add up, don't hold up to all that. So you're already getting a big value with your stone-coated steel metal roof, but also now the increased value of the Solar Skin Blue upgrade. So we hope that you will take us up on this $2,000 offer. Get it before June 30th. Metal up with a Lianro roof.